Hey, it's Jess, your beauty BFF, checking in with your tip for the week. And today's tip is how to eliminate counter clutter, how to simplify traveling, and kind of just make life great. And that is through a travel roll-up bag of some sort. This is obviously the one we have. There's probably a bunch of them out there. But what I love about it is it puts all my products for skincare, makeup, and personal care in one place. And so when I get ready in the mornings in the bathroom, I pull out my travel bag from under my counter. Everything's inside. I work with the products that I need, toothpaste, deodorant, all the things. And then I put it back under the counter. It's gone. Now, when I travel, I'll pull this out and, maybe add my toothbrush, a couple little things, hair stuff, and throw in my suitcase, and it's good. When I get to the hotel, pull out my bag, I can unroll it, and then it has a hanger here, so I can hang it from the bathroom, shower, or whatever. All my 4 pockets are there, which the zippers are on the top side, so they don't gape open. So that's really handy. And the pockets actually even tear off. So if it gets gross, you can wash it. Throw it in the dishwasher or whatever. And then you just roll it up when you're ready to move on. And you have a handy dandy little travel bag that keeps everything together. Also, I shared this in another tip, but it helps me not lose stuff. So like if I do a mask once or twice a week, I'm not going, where did I put that? Or forgetting about it. I just keep it in here with my skincare so that I'm seeing it regularly and it can trigger me to use it. So anyway, if you don't like counter clutter, or if you need something simpler for travel where it can all be in one place, a travel roll-up bag might be the thing you need to check out.